Microsoft OneDrive. Welcome back everybody. I'm Prakash Vadan, your trainer for this entire series. In this session, we're going to talk about one of the important tabs that you find in every OneDrive screen at the left hand side in a form of your shared libraries. Now this shared library means actually whenever you access any kind of files or folder via shared access, all of those files are by default going to get displayed in your shared and shared to you. But apart from that, you might be having certain files or a folder that's been we're working with the SharePoint. That might be you might be a member of the SharePoint, any kind of files or folders that's been shared over the cloud. And also sometimes it happens that apart from accessing a file that's been shared in your own organization, you might be having access to files or folders that's been shared by the other organization as well, if you are permitted to do so. Do not forget, by default, any organizations, your mail server or this OneDrive setting do not allow you to share any of your resources out of your organization, okay, because that's going to use only for your internal organization. So if you have shared any kind of files or the folder along with your SharePoint, they are going to get displayed over here. Right now, if I talk about the example, if you can see over here at my left hand side in the shared libraries, I do have two folders over here. That means these are shared to me apart from the normal sharing of your OneDrive. Now you also need to understand that any kind of files or the folder that's been shared or that's been stored in your Microsoft team, that's going to get listed over here. That means it's trying to help you to get all your files centralized even via your OneDrive. So if I take you to my Microsoft team over here, now you see this is my team screen. Okay, now I'm going to upload one file. Just for instance, I'd like to show you, okay, I'd like to upload one file and I'm going to take my simple one file. Okay, let's say this image. Now I have uploaded. Where is that file? That file is uploaded in your team called Grade 12 Computer Science. Now you see file is uploaded. We uploaded just now this file. Now if I go to my OneDrive, okay, that was under the shared libraries, that is inside the Grade 10A. Now if I open the documents in order to see the file that's been shared with the help of the shared libraries, that means the file that was being shared by your Microsoft team is going to get stored inside your documents. So if I go there, if you notice, see the name. Shared name that I have over here is a Grade 12 Computer Science. So if I have to take you back to my team, see Grade 12 Computer Science, over there we uploaded one file. Now if I go to my shared libraries, so all the files that's been shared, that's been uploaded in your Microsoft team is going to get centralized over here, because I have made a video already. We already have enough discussion, enough explanation was done during the training, this tutorial video of this Microsoft team. We have already discussed over there also that all of your files, whatever you create, even in team, in your mail, whatever files are there, that's going to get stored in a centralized location. So that is by default OneDrive. Now if I open this Grade 10A to the documents, okay, because the name was a bit different. If I go to general, if I see over here, okay, let's not open it right now. Now see the folder name is this. That means my team name is this, Grade 12 Computer Science. So if I click this file, that file was actually uploaded via your Microsoft team. That means Microsoft team, all the document will also get stored in your OneDrive. Apart from the files, those are being shared to you from outsider, or you are a member of it, along with your SharePoint libraries actually over here. Okay, so I do believe this was a bit informative to you. In order to understand that the main purpose of shared library is that just to make a list of all the files and folders that's been shared to you from out of your organization, or even if you are a member of some of the SharePoint sites over here, along with your files and folder that is being stored or uploaded in your Microsoft team, so as a centralized storage location. So I do believe it was a bit informative to you. If you like it, please press like button and subscribe. Thank you.